Hi everyone, from the thumbnail and from the title itself you all must have come to know that this is a haul from MyGlam. Yes, I have purchased few products from MyGlam from my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me, even MyGlam is not sponsoring me. But before moving ahead with the haul, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Alright, and if you want to become friends with me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links for the same is also given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well as all the products whatever I'm showing you today will be linked in the description box. All the buying link also will be given, so that also you can check. As well as if you will use my reference code, you will get some discount. I'll pop up that discount code on the screen itself, as well as it will be mentioned in the description box, so check that as well also. Alright, now you all can see this is the bill. Okay, so MyGlam is not sponsoring me. Whenever I do any hauls, I definitely make it a point to show the bill. So this is the bill, right? And with the box I got this kind of a card. Okay, and it is like a MyGlam insider and all, like we are happy to all that stuff. That is their publicity, whatever, advertising. Okay, now first thing I would like to tell you, MyGlam is celebrating, I think, their 3rd birthday or some anniversary is going on. So if you check their website or if you check their app, you get buy one get one free. There is some conditions, like if you buy a particular product, in that description you can check which product you are going to get free. Okay, so you don't forget to check. But here again I would like to add one more thing. Whenever you buy such kind of products, always the manufacturing and the expiry date sucks. Again, I just got the product one day back. I will definitely get this into their notice also. Again, I would just like to tell you, you all can see the manufacturing date is November 2019 over here. If you all can see, I don't know whether it is visible. I think now it should be visible. Can you see? It is November 2019 is the manufacturing, and expiry is, I guess, October 22. You all can check. It is that. Okay, so if you check November 19, that is last year, almost 11 months old product is this. Okay, so definitely I will be calling them up and I will be checking them. But this is a bullet lipstick. In any case, we are not going to use up the whole bullet lipstick. So it is on us how we think. Okay, so this is actually, I was not having any K Pose lipstick. You all can see this is the K Pose lipstick. No, sorry, Pose lipstick. I'm so sorry. MyGlam Pose lipstick. Okay, net quantity what you get over here is 4 grams, and the content is the shade which I got is lipstick 020 ripe grape. 5.99 is the MRP. You all can check each and everything. It comes in this kind of a purple maroon kind of packaging, and on that they have given you MyGlam Pose HD lipstick. Each and everything is given here. Manufacturing expiry is also given over here. It is their Pose lipstick. Okay, whatever, whenever, Pose is given on that. This is not a new launch product, so definitely I don't have to tell you in brief, because this is the packaging of the lipstick. Okay, you can see MyGlam Pose HD lipstick. Okay, the shade is given over here, as well as, let me check whether, yeah, the shade, manufacturing, expiry, each and every detail is given actually on the cap, but I don't think it is visible because it is very small font. But still I will try to show you. Okay, so this is the shade which I got is ripe grape. Okay, this much is the quantity what you are getting. Okay, so this is the ripe grape lipstick which I got it from their app. Okay, with this 5.99 lipstick they were having an offer. As I told you earlier, they are having there some anniversary or something going on. So with this particular Pose lipstick, I got a blush, K-Play blush, absolutely free. Okay, the cost for this lipstick is $5.99, and when you check the cost of this particular Pose K-Play Peach blush, the MRP of this is $645. It is given over here. I'll just try to focus. Alright, it is 645 rupees. If it is little shaking, then don't mind, because my hands are shaking a little bit. It is 645 rupees. Okay, so this is the packaging of their blush. It is from that K-Play line. They are having all that lines on their particular app or whatever website you say. That is MyGlam is the main. In that they have Pose, they have K-Play, they have Manish Malhotra collection, they have lot of other collections, so you can check. Okay, they have lit collection as well. I'll be showing you other products of MyGlam. Whatever I'm having with me, I'll be definitely showing you. So if you want to buy any of the product, you can get. But basically, I ordered for this lipstick and I got this blush absolutely free. And I guess they have free shipping about 199 rupees. So check that out. I'll show you the blush because this is not a new launch product. This is the packaging. It is all the fruits are given over here. They have shown you MyGlam K-Play Peach blush. Peach is the flavor which I ordered. I ordered 03 Peach, Sweet Peach, the variant which I ordered. Okay. Even same with this also, you all can see manufacturing and expiry. Manufacturing is December 19 and expiry is again April 22. So you can say almost 10 months old product, but free, can't complain, but definitely I will call them up. So this is the packaging. You can see inside they have given you sponge kind of packaging. I don't think whether it is possible to see, but this is inside the packaging. Okay, they have given you foam kind of packaging. When you talk about actual blush packaging, it comes in this kind of matte packaging. This is MyGlam K-Play Peach blush. This is what given. Okay, the manufacturing and expiry is also given on the blush, as well as the shade name, and everything is given on the back side of the blush. So if you are throwing away this, then no problem. With this, you can easily check the manufacturing and expiry. Each and every details are given over here on the blush itself. Now when you open it, you get a very good quality mirror over here. This is the mirror. I don't think whether it is possible to see. This is the mirror and this is the blush. Okay, they have given you small kind of print. This is the mirror and this is the blush. Okay, I can't show you the mirror because reflection will come and you cannot see it. So this is a good quality mirror and this is the blush shade. It is a peach color. You will say, Meghna, this is very chatak peach color, then how will apply? No, but when you apply, you just have to be little bit careful. So this is you have to go very light handed. This is the blush what I got free. Okay, so this is the offer which I actually wanted to share with you all, and I got the delivery, so I thought of making a small video. So if you all also want to buy something from this particular brand, definitely go ahead and buy it. Okay, so this is the small haul. I just would like to share few of the products which I have from their range. This is their MyGlam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. Okay, the shade which I have, I think I already have one separate haul for all this, so I'll be definitely linking that video up in the I button, but I'll just show you. I have one there matte lit lipstick. This is the first. I have their matte satin. I think this is the bullet lipstick of theirs, if I'm not wrong. This is the bullet lipstick. Yes, this is the bullet lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick. So you all can see how many lipsticks I have. So this is the bullet, this is the liquid lipstick. Okay, as well as I have that K-Play lipstick which comes in fruit flavor. Okay, it is flavored lip gloss. Okay, so this is that. Even I think I have that also up on my channel. I'll be linking that also. And this is their lip gloss, what they have come with that during that, I think, Valentine's Day or something. I have a video for this as well, XOXO lip gloss. So total altogether you can say I have total 6 products from MyGlam, and I think I have reviewed this in a separate video, and this I have shown you. But still, if you have anything to ask me related to this particular offer or anything, you can definitely go ahead and comment down below. I try to resolve your query as soon as possible, and if you use my code you will get some discount, so don't forget to use my code as well. And or else you can definitely go ahead and purchase from my purchase link, which is I have given you in the description box. Okay, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment. Always do comment, thumbs up please. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.